Let's start her up. Oh, that took a sec. Okay. Wow, that's not fun. All right, well, seatbelts on, everyone. Any simpler. It was a little slow to start, so I'm just gonna, oh my, okay. Okay, that's a little snow in my socks, but that's okay. Couldn't be any simpler. This is the voltmeter. I don't know how this thing works. So you just put that there, and then that there. 24 volts, that can't be right. That looks like that just says 2.4. I had to be doing something wrong. Do I put it on that mode? 11.3, perfectly fine. Let's start her up just to make sure. Look at her go. Oh, that's not good. Let's try again. Okay, let's go grab the battery charger. This is why I got the battery charger. All right, this is also me learning how to use the battery charger for the first time, which I don't know how to use. Red first, then it goes somewhere else. Does it go on the black terminal of the how do I use this thing? Let's test with the multimeter, figure out where a ground is. That one, I think, I don't know. Ow, fuck. Okay, so red, is this ground? No. I don't see anything metal. Is that metal? No. Bolt? No. That? No. Oh, that's a ground. It's reading 11.2. Yeah, that's not great. I forgot what bolt it was. Hold on. I think it was that one, right? Does it really matter? Can I just put it on the black terminal? I don't know. I might have to call my dad. It was that one. 4 volts. That's reading 3 volts. The battery, yeah, 11. So I don't know what the deal with that is. That's 5 volts. Why am I getting different numbers? Okay. This is also my first time using this thing, so we'll see how it goes. It has instructions. Connect red clamp to positive and black clamp to the negative one. Start the vehicle after the light turns green. I don't know. I've never done this before. Red first, then the black one. I know that. She's on. Okay, it's green. Start the vehicle. Here we go. Oh, started right up. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh yeah, I'm actually really happy. That's my first time doing that. Okay, glad I had this thing, I guess. Started right up. I don't think it started that fast in years. Oh my God. If this wasn't recording, I'm gonna crash out. And then I am also going to just check the battery voltage one more time because we did have a bit of an alternator scare. Alternator scare? I don't know how you say that. It doesn't matter. At the start of the winter. And it seemed fine since then, but I don't know because I ran the engine for a little bit and then the battery died still after that. So I'm hoping the battery's just fucked, but we'll see. That there, what are we reading? 14.3, she's fine. She's doing just fine. Just fine, mint condition even. I've never seen a car run better than 14.3. That's mint, that's battery is fine. All right, she's been running for, I don't know, a really long time. Let's shut her off and turn her back on and see if it works. It's off. Started right up. Beautiful. Oh my God, that ice falling keeps scaring me. It sounds like I'm breaking something. If it's too low, that's not good, is what I've learned. Okay, now, 12.2. Is that too low for like right after shutting off the car? Like I just shut off the car just now and it's already down to 12.2. That feels a little low. It's probably fine. I'm just gonna leave it.